I slept so close to the toilet, and trust me, I'm in the transit Hotel Amsterdam. Unbox Yotel Air Amsterdam. Extremely compact room here. Why did they choose this color? What's the cost to stay for 6 hours?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Amsterdam Airport. As one of the main hubs in Europe, a lot of flights transit here. However, if you have a long waiting here, the only transit hotel, Yotel Amsterdam, is what I'm going to unbox for you. Before we dive into the full room tour, let me tell you how I got here. I flew out from the beautiful city, Krakow, in Poland, visited the best business lounge in the airport, and onboarded KLM Embraer 195-E2 in business class, experiencing the outstanding intra-European onboard journey. For the flight report, check the link below.
Right, so this is the Terminal 2. We are here. So the hotel's right here. Alright, let's go.
By the way, we are in the non-Schengen area, and this hotel for international travelers only.
I will transit for 6 hours in order to kill my jet lag. I will stay in the transit hotel for a while. Let's go.
The location of Yotel is very good. It's right next to the food court and just above the shopping avenue. Let's enter now. The price per night is 189 euros. Is it worth it or not? Let's judge it after the report. First impression. If I don't tell you I'm in Yotel, maybe you are thinking red light district. I can understand. Such lighting would give better resting quality in the room, but I don't really like this color and design. That made me start to feel something wrong. Before I give you the complete room tour of Yotel Amsterdam,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Here is a bit like a small maze, and I'm now navigating to my room number 54. Here we are. Let's enter it with the room key. Before we start the tour, don't forget to draw the curtain first. Alright, here is the floor map. It's like cells in this property. Compact is the perfect word for each room. Look at this folding stool. It's the magic of space-saving design. Once turned to the chair mode and put down this foldable table. What? Basically, it's complete full here. A mirror with one hanger. Yotel is really a magician of the space management. Let's check out what the other facilities are. On my right hand side is the bed. It seems there's another bed on top of it. Luckily I didn't hear noise from the neighbor. Here's my single bed with a TV. Later I will try the bedding. A phone for mission control. I guess here is a spaceship room concept. A panel for environmental control. Power sockets and USB charger. Here is the menu, if you'd like to enjoy your food here. Not sure if it's a good idea or not. This table is actually sturdy enough. If I hang a jacket, the mirror function is gone. On my left hand side, it's an open toilet with shower facilities. Towel and backup toilet tissue are preloaded. Main toilet tissue here and a toilet. Super space-saving sink. Amenities for body wash and shampoo. This curtain can block the view and water splitting, but not the smell of the toilet. So let's test how this bed feels.
It is actually comfortable while lying down here. Especially it's very difficult to find a place to sleep in the airport. However, if you don't mind the smell of the toilet with a small space with quite expensive price, here should be the place to recharge your energy, make you ready to transit to next destination. By the way, they didn't even offer a drinking water. But maybe in Netherlands, the tap water can drink. Just are you there to drink here? Okay, let me share the summary of staying at this Yotel. It's very small room. It's like a cube, not even a cube, because it's sheer up and down. Especially the lighting, this color in pink, just doesn't feel right. And the bedding is super close to the toilet. Actually, I can smell like toilet. So basically, I live in the toilet right now. They got a TV over there, However, I couldn't find the remote, so maybe I need to ask the front desk. So inside the room, they got shower facility, they got toilet facility, they got a bed. That's it. They don't sell any like few hours stay. They only sell a night. So one night they charge you 190 euro. That's too expensive for this kind of size. In the outside, you probably can already stay in a suite or something. Alright, so this is the unboxing of the Yotel in Amsterdam Airport, Terminal 2, the non-Schengen area. I will see you later.
Alright, it's time to leave and catch my next flight home. In my next video, I will fly back to Taipei on board KLM, visited the signature Crown Lounge 52 and luxurious Blue Bar, unboxed business class seat and services on Boeing 787-9.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.